Hello, welcome to the channel. On today's tutorial, I'll take you through on how to make these little cute pom-pom. As you can see, they're so nice, so easy to make, and so let's begin. I'll start by using this type of yarn. This is a silk yarn, 50 grams. We start by wrapping through my fingers, my 4 fingers. I'll wrap this through my fingers 100 times. So that's my 100 times. I did some off camera. And I'll grab some excess yarn and I'll cut it off. This is my yarn. And I'll use this excess yarn to tie it in the middle part. Then I'll grab another yarn to tie it around it in the middle part. This helps in making the middle part tight enough. I'll tighten it. Now we have two sides of this yarn being separated by the middle with the yarn which I've used to tie it. Now I'll use this piece of clothing to this piece of cloth. I'll use it to make the yarn which I'm using to cut. This is to avoid the mess, that's what I'm trying to say. On one side I'll cut it off, then on the other side I'll cut it too. make sure I've cut it all. Then on one side I'm going to cut it round. Using this pair of scissors. I'll cut it round. I'm cutting around this yarn. The purpose of cutting is to make the ends be uniform. You can see it now, it's uniform. I'll meet you when I'm done cutting the other side. Now this is it. That was the first round which I cut through the ends. Now I'll come to the second round and I'll cut through again. I'll cut through until the ends are uniform. I'll cut through the sides, the ends. Now this is it. I had already cut the second time. Now this is the third time. At this point I'll use my scissors to make it fluffy. I'll make it fluffy to make sure that the ends are uniform. If not, I'll use my scissors again to cut through until it becomes uniform. Cut through the extended part of the yarn, the yarn which has extended, the making of this pom-pom is so easy. Now this is it, I'm done. Then after, I'll grab my hat, my beanie hat, and I'm going to tie it on top of it. You can see I'll use this 3mm crochet hook to tie it. I'll use my crochet hook, I'll pass it on the inner part of the beanie hat, and I'll grab this, the yarn which I used to tie it, this excess yarn, I'll pass it through this crochet hook at the top of the beanie hat, and I'll grab one of the extended yarn using the hook, crochet hook, and I'll grab it to the inner part of the hat. Now this is the yarn on the inside of this hat, and I'll come again and I'll pass it through the hook on the other side, and I'll grab the other yarn, the other two extended yarns. This is it. I'll grab it using this crochet hook. I'll grab it to the inner part of the beanie. And I'll tie it together to make this pom-pom a bit tight. I'll come and tie these two yarns, these extended yarns together. After tying, I'll come to the outer part and I'll use the same procedure. I'll do the same procedure. I'll insert my crochet hook to the inner part of this beanie, and I'll grab the extended yarn to the outer part. can see. I'll insert my hook at any point of this top of the beanie. It doesn't have a specific point where you'll insert it. You can see, and I'll grab the other yarn to the outer part. This is it. I'll grab it using this crochet hook to the outer part. And I'll use my pair of scissors to cut it, the extended yarn, to make it equal with the other. So this is my scissor. I'll use it to cut it off. I'll cut it short to where my other pom-pom yarn has, to make it short. So yeah, this is it. I'm done attaching it to a beanie. This is how the inner part looks like. There is no extended yarn. And I think I'm done at this point. So this is how my beanie hat has turned out to be. So cute, right? Yeah. So at this point, if you like this video, please subscribe. Remember to like, comment, share, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.